Is this one of the greatest first RC cars of all time? I would argue yes. In this video, I'm going to tell you about it, what you want to know about it, the pluses as well as the minuses. I'm going to show you tons of video of it going so you know what I'm talking about. Then at the end, I'm going to come back and give you one of those normal, conventional kind of reviews and something you all want to see. Everybody always wants to see it, the unboxing. So let's first talk about the basics of it. This is the DEERC 9201E, which is a 1/10 scale, and this is a full legit 1/10 scale. It is a large remote control truck. It's about 1 foot long. It has lights. It's kind of designed to look like that short course kind of truck. It is 4-wheel drive. They say it is hobby grade. It really skirts that line between hobby grade, like a really advanced toy, something like that. This isn't one that you're going to go out there and upgrade it and it's going to be some amazing fast truck, but this is a truck that is super durable, a ton of fun to drive, and just looks amazing. All right, let's talk about that more formal review. Okay, this is a little unusual that I'm coming to you right here from the testing facility where I've been all morning. Southern Florida, it is whacked out hot out here. I hope you appreciate this. I hope this is helpful, actually. If this is helpful, please remember to subscribe, follow, give us a like, put a comment below. What do you think of this? Do you have questions about it? Any of those kind of things? There's probably a link to buy one if you want it. But let's talk about the car itself because I am so impressed about it. Size-wise, I absolutely love the size. This is definitely a little on the larger size of typical 1/10 scales. I think the look is freaking ridiculously cool. I think this thing looks amazing. Could be one of my favorite looking RCs, right? Now let's talk about the real things. Let's talk about performance, which everybody always complains about with this. And if you're complaining about with this, you're a fool. Straight up, you're a fool. This thing is not supposed to be ready to race, put it on the racetrack and go. This is like a kid's or even an adult's first RC car, and they want something that goes every time, drives everywhere. Actually, because it is not ridiculously fast, one of the things I love about it is you can just drive it full throttle over pretty much anything. It doesn't flip, it just crunches right over it. It's almost like a crawler in that way, but I mean, it's definitely fast enough for you to giggle, get some good flights. I think you saw that in the video. Durability wise, which is always a question on these, I've never had one fail, and then when I have, I've always been able to get parts from DEERC, no problem. Battery life is about the 20 minutes that they say. I'm not so sure what else you would want to know. This thing is absolutely awesome. There's a link below if you want it. Click on it, you will not go wrong. Here we go, let's unbox this behemoth from DEERC and talk about some of its features. Oh man, one of the things I love about this is its size. Let me show you this thing. This is one of the few kind of... Oh. Look at that. This is so cool. This is like a fairly legit representation of a 1/10 scale. So many of the 1/10 scales you see yet are nowhere near a 1/10 scale. This is a healthy 1/10 scale. Check this guy out. Let's look real quick. I'll show you. We got independent suspension. Now listen, let's be serious about this. This is not supposed to be a hobby grade racer. This is a beginner's RC truck that is fully equipped with like lots of great things. And so you should enjoy it that way, but do not expect to take this to the local track and start beating people with it because you saw that bounce. These shock absorbers, while they do work to absorb some shock, are friction shock absorbers. There's no oil in them. They're not very sophisticated, but they are absolutely adequate for having a ridiculous amount of fun. Let's see what's under the skin here. Oh, I love the spare tire on it. I think that's so cool. And here's another nice thing that this does have. Let me just show you another nice thing that this does have. We have bumpers, like serious crush structure bumpers on the back and on the front, which includes 2 adorable little headlights. We have a 540 motor, which is brushed, and it's going to give you probably more power than you should have with something this sophisticated. but this thing cranks. I've had one before and it's ridiculous, and we're gonna take it out. We're gonna fly it, so don't you worry about that. We're gonna do that. You got a metal drivetrain, a really decent servo for what this thing is. Yeah, it comes with two 1500 milliamp hour batteries. So that's gonna give you a runtime of about 40 minutes. Forget the speed. It is so fast, it is fun. It is not scary fast. It's not unbelievable fast, but it is so fast and so fun. I mean, you could get this thing really far in the air. Actually, I think we should be doing that right now. Those are the basics of what you need to know. If you're looking at this, if you're actually going to get this, it's for somebody maybe as a gift or for yourself, you cannot possibly go wrong. This thing is absolutely phenomenal. You should go get it. Yeah, go get it now. This thing's super cool. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you next time. I'm out.